This is Eat, Sleep, Bass, Repeat, and I am with
John.
John. And what kind of vehicle are we sitting in?
2006 Escalade.
2006 Escalade. And I see a C-pillar wall back there. What is hiding back there? They look really big. 221s. And can you tell me what kind of 21s those are?
JSS.
JSS, Jones Subwoofer Solutions. All right, I don't get to hear 21s very often, so I'm kind of excited.
She's a two-way freak. She's a two-way bitch. She doesn't look at characters I'm talking about. Shit, she's a two-way freak. A two-way freak. She really know your boys for her own repeat. She's a two-way bitch. A two-way bitch. She doesn't look at characters I'm talking about. Shit, don't you really hate with somebody be two-way? She know what for a fact that you ain't gave up the number two. She just go be bad, so it's all on the ground. Listen to it. She's a two-way bitch, a two-way bitch. She whizzing up your characters, ain't talking about.
All right, man. What kind of power we got on those?
We from 9K.
9K.
Half ohm.
At a half ohm. Wow. Those sound good, man.
I'm still breaking them in, so really
Yeah.
can't go that hard on them.
Yeah, but the tone is like
I'm able to play from 18 to about 60.
I like it. 21s, man. Good job. All right.